This is one of the most dangerous foods in China. It contains a lot of aflatoxin. Eating too much of it can give you cancer. But Chinese people love eating it because it's super delicious. But if you want to eat it, you first need a block of tofu with no additives. Then you cut it into small pieces. Make sure each piece of tofu is the same size. This helps with the fermentation process. To increase the tofu's firmness, the cut tofu needs to be boiled. Then, place the tofu pieces in a ventilated area to let it naturally dry and remove excess moisture. After that, let it naturally ferment. During fermentation, the tofu will produce a slimy texture and become soft, like cheese. But remember, you need to strictly control the temperature and humidity of the fermentation environment to avoid excessive mold growth. Once white fuzz appears on the surface of the tofu, you can place the tofu into a mixture of sesame and chili powder. Shake it constantly to make sure each tofu piece is coated with the chili powder. Then, pack it into a glass jar. After further fermentation and pickling, the tofu becomes richer and more delicious. As it ferments, the texture of the tofu is soft yet firm, with a slight moldy smell on the surface, while the inside still retains the smoothness of tofu. The taste is very unique. So, do you want to give it a try?